Well, hi there and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So I think I may make the title of this video, Know This for a New Job and Know These for your existing jobs. So let's start with the Know This. When you are going into a new job that you've landed and you've been on and you've landed, know your budgeted hours, right? I mean, for most jobs, labor, wages is the biggest factor in determining your biggest expense and your biggest factor in determining your price. So going into that new job, you want to know your time, your budgeted hours. Well, what are these that we're referring to when we talk about existing jobs? Well, one of them is budgeted hours, and the other one, of course, is keep track of the actual hours, so that we want to compare budgeted hours to actual hours. Why do you want to go through the effort of doing that? Well, you put so much time and work into finding and attracting and landing a job that you don't want to lose your profitability simply because you're not taking the time to watch your hours that are budgeted versus what you're really spending in the job. If you do, it can really reward you in keeping all of your projects, all of your accounts profitable. And also, by the way, let's say you find that the actual hours are much less than the budgeted hours. Person might think, oh, great, we're making great money. We're really making profit. Well, but what also is that showing if you're spending less time? Are we really spending the time needed to provide a quality cleaning? That could create trouble and lose a job if the quality's not there. Too many hours, we're becoming unprofitable. Is it inefficient? Why is it too many hours? So these are the things. Know your budget going in, and for existing jobs, take some time to track budget versus actual. You'll be glad you did. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.